I'm surprised some of those trees didn't burn.
Yeah. You're ready for that.
So they got it gated off. It's been 2 days since the fire and they've got it gated off. They said they were going to have this open yesterday. It's unlocked. Thing's unlocked. Should I open it? So we kind of snuck our way up here. I don't know if we're breaking the law or not. This is what it looks like from up here.
There's a big canyon of it.
No, this is down. This is the side. You can see the hoses.
Oh shit, the garbage.
You can see the hoses from them burning. Look at all that trash down there. Jesus. Anyway, this is where it burned upside. There's the Forest Service, forest fire guys up here checking it out, making sure it's safe for people to come up here. There's the tree that burnt though. That's the one that burned up on top.
Oh, yeah.
They lit that fucker up. Anyway, that fire definitely encompassed pretty much all of this hill.
It didn't burn as much garbage as I thought it would.
It didn't burn as much of the freaking trees as I thought it would. Look at all those trees. They stood testament to freaking fire, definitely.
Yeah, I love it.
But you can see the hose they took all the way down there. Sprayed it off. I wouldn't light that up if I were you, just in case. Let's get out of here before we get in trouble. I don't think we're supposed to be up here. I really don't think we're supposed to be up here. I hope this YouTube video doesn't get me in trouble either, but everything's pretty much intact up here. They did a good job keeping it from destroying the whole park. Almost burnt all the way back